Well, here we are at breakfast. It was a long night, not gonna lie.
Thank you.
Yeah. These two love to talk all night long.
Oh, Caleb.
Once again, Caleb did clog the toilet and we had to go find room service, and yeah, I wouldn't use the ladies' room if I were anyone. Anyway, it is Nate's.
Go on the road.
It is Nate's 15th birthday, and we are very proud of him.
Seconds.
No seconds.
People I don't even know, and you're gonna lie to them.
Yeah, that's right. These people drank all the juice.
Yes, we did, and we enjoyed it.
There's Mikkel and Sammy looking like they want to kill me. Not gonna lie.
The spoon is gonna enter you somehow.
Me and Gabby are wearing our matching shirts again. Is that not the greatest? Hi, Mrs. Sprecher.
Why are you talking to my mom?
Because it's our second date together. What do you think? And there's Maddie with her,
Underwood.
No. Anyway, we're looking for a good session this morning and a fun time on the slopes. Newbies. Anyway, I guess we'll probably talk up at the slopes. So, yeah. Where's the button that turns it off? Found it.